welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a little delivery that I got this morning. I've been really excited for it to come because there's some really cool products in here. So I've placed an order with Beauty Bay and lookfantastic.com. They both sell a variety of all different beauty and makeup products, and I use them quite regularly. None of this video is sponsored by them whatsoever. I just wanted to share with you what I bought. So the first item is, yes, the Feathered and Full Brows Kit from Benefit. So in here, it says on the back, you get the Precisely My Brow Pencil, the Gimme Brow, the 24 Hour Brow Setter, and looks like 2 stencils for arched or straight brows and a little stick thing to hold them on. So I got shade 1, which is the lighter shade, because I didn't actually do the darker one, but I'm starting to go a bit blonder now anyway, with summer coming, so I thought this would probably be better for me. So we're just going to open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so you get a little like how-to guide. Shows you how to apply the products. That's cool. And then you get a tin with all the products inside. Let's have a look at this brow stencil thing. I use the 24 Hour Brow Setter all the time anyway, so if you look back through my tutorials, you'll see that I've used it today. So that one's for the straight brows. Mine aren't very straight though. You just like slide it in. Okay, that's cool. And then you kind of just draw along. So the arched one would be more for me. That's quite perfect for my shape actually. So yeah, there we go. So I think that cost me 20 something pounds, maybe 28 pounds, which is quite good because the brow setter alone, even though that is a smaller one, I'm sure I pay about 15, 16 pounds for it anyway. And then obviously you've got the Gimme Brow and the pencil and the stencil as well, so that's quite a good bargain actually. Okay, so what's in the box? So, oh yes, I've been waiting for this. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So I've been using the Morphe one for a while now, which is it's good, but I've heard so many rave reviews about this. I've been really excited to get it. So nice packaging. It's like frosted. So it's got the plastic in it. I'm breaking nail doing this now. You get quite a lot of product in there as well. I think that was about £32, but you can see that lasting quite well. 29 grams in there, so it's quite a substantial amount. That'll probably go quite far because if you're anything like me, you don't use loads of powder anyway. So I will probably use that in my next makeup tutorial. What else have we got? We've got the Too Faced Damn Girl 24 Hour Mascara. We've got some, I normally buy the smaller versions of the mascaras because my eyes tend to get really sensitive if I use them for more than 3 months. They water and yeah, it's not a really good look when you've got makeup all down your face. Ooh, it's pretty. So I'll have a look at the brush and see what the brush is like. Oh, now that's a nice brush. I do like a big wand. But yeah, that one is really nice. It's like a hourglass figure of 8 shape. I would try it, but I've got a couple of coats on already. I think it might end up looking a bit clumpy. So again, I will put that in my next tutorial. Lovely. That's exciting. Oh, I got a Matrix Brass Off mask. Obviously my hair is quite blondie silvery. I do use the Finola purple shampoo, which is amazing. I've got a massive bottle and I think I've had it about 3 months. You don't use it every time. I normally use it every other time I wash my hair. It just keeps it from going brassy and yellowy toned. So I think I'll try that tonight and I'll let you know next time what that was like. And I've got a few ordinary products. So again, I think I might actually do these in a little video as well, because these two are actually for skincare. So there's, I think it's pronounced argireline, which is like, they call it Botox in a bottle. So I thought it might help with I've got a couple of lines on my forehead, and before going down the Botox road, I thought I might actually give this a whirl and see what it's like. So I might actually do a little video where I apply that and then maybe come back in a month's time and see if it's worked or not. And the same with the matrixyl 10%. Again, that's known for being really good for fine lines and wrinkles and anti-aging. So I thought I might try and use them alternatively or something and see how I get on with those. And from them I also got the high-adherence silicone primer. So I've heard good things about that as well, so I'm going to use that in my next video as well as a primer under my makeup. And then, oh, I wanted a really nice little hand mirror. I know a lot of people are using the piggy ones and that from Jeffree Star, and I do really love those. But I do tend to use quite a few Doll Beauty products, so I thought I'd get a little Doll Beauty one. So that's quite cute. I'm not going to blind you with it, but yeah, that one's really nice. Quite a nice size as well. I can see myself. Helps. Right. So I'll just pop that back. And last but not least, I really like watching quite a few of Steph Tom's videos, and I think she's an amazing makeup artist. And I have to say, I bought this under it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Just looks like a diamond in a pot. I'm just going to swatch that. Oh, that is insane. See? I might just try a little bit of that. Just because I can. I'm just going to use the Sigma F40. Don't need a lot of that on your brush. It's got that sticker on the mirror, so that's not going to be very good, is it? Look at that. Shine bright like a diamond. On the other side just to match it up. That is so pretty. Really, really nice. Good recommendation, Steph. Okay, so that's it for today. So I've shown you all of my beautiful products that I've bought, As I say, some of them I will use in my next makeup tutorial, so if you want to subscribe you'll be able to take a look at that. And yeah, have a look. I've got all the products listed below, and there's also a discount code for Look Fantastic if you did want to buy any of the products from there. So thumbs up for that one. I will see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye.